Bodmas rule. Here B for bracket, O for order mean power, R. The power will be calculate first, of R if the multiplication first. Multiplication will calculate first. If the division first in the question, the division will be calculated first. Here we know from the example. Uh, Here M for multiplication, D for division, and A for addition, S for subtraction. Let's see in the example. Example is 2 plus 2 bracket plus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 minus 4. Solution. First we calculate the bracket 2, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 20 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 minus 4. So 20 multiplied by 10 is equal to 200, and 4 plus 200 divided by 2 minus 4. So 200 divided by 2 is equal to 100. 4 plus 100 minus 4. So first we will add 4 and 100 is equal to 104 minus 4 is equal to 100 is answer. Here we calculate multiply first, because in order the multiplication in series the first and division in second. So the biggest mistake often occurs in multiplication and division section. Let's see the another example. Example number 2. 30 plus 20 divided by 10 multiplied by 2 minus 4. In this example, the division is first and multiply in second number. Often the people calculate multiply first here. According to the rule and order, the correct rule and order, the division will calculate first here. This is the rule when multiplication or division in equation. Which one is first? If the multiplication is first in order, we will calculate multiplication. If the division is first before the multiplication in order, we calculate division first. So here we will calculate division first. So 30 plus 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Multiply by 2 minus 4. So 30, 2 multiply by we divide 20 into 10, we get 2. So we calculate the division first here, because in order the division is first and multiplication in second. 30 plus 4, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 30 plus 4 minus 4. And now we can calculate addition. So 30 plus 4 is equal to 34 minus 4 is equal to 30. Answer. Biggest mistake I have highlighted here, that in addition, in multiplication or division, which one is first? We will calculate the first division or multiplication. So thank you for watching.